Welcome back to the doghouse, y'all. K-Dog's Monocar Doghouse. We're back for another edition of Forgotten Friday. This one ain't forgotten. It's just been hanging out. I started this when the first 48 Ford kit, the Revell 48 Ford kit, come out with the police car on the box. That's what this has started from. I took a 37 Ford chassis and grafted all the front end parts, rear end parts to the chassis to give it that lowered stance. Sat around here and it got froggy one day and had primer on it, and I painted it with some Scalefinishes. I don't remember the color red it was. I probably still got it somewhere. But it's been painted long enough, it ought to sand out and polish pretty easy. It ought to be hard enough I can polish it. It's got Model House resin wheels and white walls on it. It's the ones they did for the Revell 32 Ford. It used to be in their catalog. They're pretty cool. I used to buy them things 3 or 4 at a time. PP Plastic Performance Products, Holloman Moody chrome wheels. Dave don't do this. Very seldom he does the chrome. Every once in a while you can get a set from him. And I stuck a 4.6 in here from something. I don't even know where that come from now, because I don't buy many Mustang kits. Must have been in a parts box or something. Part of the trees, the body gone or something. I buy some slot car remnants every once in a while, and that's probably where I got that from. I'll have to figure out where that come from. If anybody knows out there, leave it down below down there in the bottom. Leave it down there in the comments, because I have no idea where that come from. I just wonder if it's out of the 99 Mustang Cobra. I just wonder if that's what it's out of. But anyway, here we have my Forgotten Friday for this week. I'm kind of in one of them building funks. It's that time of the year, season change. If you're old and crippled up, you know how them season changes work. But anyway, have fun, y'all. Always remember what the K-Dog says. Be happy and model on.